Hey, how's everyone doing? I just wanted to do a bit of a. That's fine. Just wanted. Sorry, just girlfriend's playing a little bit of a video game here, so um, you might hear that in the background. I want to do a bit of a kind of a video editing Linux showdown. Now, everyone's seen Kden Live, and there's also Cinderella out there. Problem is, I'm not. Kden Live is for people who use like Sony Vegas, the professional level software, and I'm not very familiar with that, honestly. And the same thing with Cinderella. And so was trying to find other stuff that would work, and I found Lives or Lives, this one here, and of course Openshot. And I'm going to kind of launch both of those here real fast. And see, Openshot opens first, and Lives is still trying to open up. So I'm going to try to get both of these just, over here. Now, default, Lives doesn't really show you much. I want to kind of show how both these programs, import clips and get everything kind of working there for you. Let me here and kind of shrink this a bit. Okay, that's all the further it's going to let me do it. So with Openshot, to put a clip in, just click Import File. I'm going to get into, say, this one, Big Brother OGV, and drag it down into the track 2. I just want to put it there. And let's say immediately I want to start cutting it up, because there's a few sequences I want to move around. Come up here. Oop. Let me expand that a bit. There we go. Alright. There's track 1, track 2. And so now I want to move this down, move this over, just try to get this all going. And you can add transitions real easily, say circle in or out. I want to add that, just drag it, drop it, where the transitions you want to go, and I can put the playhead here, and then we can preview that real quick, and there's the transitions. So it's all well and good, and it's really good. You can export. There's a lot of export options. When you go to export, you can do to Blu-ray, you can do DVD, device, web. Device, select a format like Target, Apple TV if you wanted to. Go with all formats and just click whatever you want to go. MPEG-4, XVID, H.264, OGG, AVI. It lets you kind of change it around. Web, you've got Flickr, Picasa, YouTube, immediately YouTube HD, Square NTSC to video profile, and you can select the quality and even tell it where do you want to export to. So it's a pretty simple program. I'll close this, and I pretty much like it. As far as it's very similar to iMovie, which is what I kind of learned on initially, and when I first had a Mac years and years ago, back in, I think it was 2004. No, it was earlier than that. It's 2002, 2003 when I first got a Mac. And so I like it. It works well. It doesn't have any bugs as far as I've found, and works just fine. And you can even do 3D titles and titling and add those in. Now, from playing with Lives, first I want to kind of get into. Basically, there's a multi-frame kind of multi-track mode, and immediately after getting into multi-track mode, it lets it lets you adjust the width, height of the video, frames per second. So all these like professional level stuff here. I'm like, okay, cool. Target encoder any output format. You can select the output format to whatever, and you click OK, and then bam, this is it goes full screen, and every time I click on something like File or Edit or Effects or anything, it keeps going from full screen to dropping down, and it's just a pain in the ass initially. So that immediately was like, what the heck? Um, so you need, if you want to open a file, you go File, Open. File. I want to go to video, and this title sequence MPEG. I want to open it, and look how long it takes to open. Please wait. 65 frames opened. 70 some frames opened. It's absolutely ridiculous. This professional level program. Here it is doing it again, just pissing me off. I gotta quit this program. To me, and I haven't even attempted to edit video because it's so slow. It's slow, it's buggy, it's absolutely just it's worthless in my opinion. And actually, as I'm doing this, I'm going to uninstall this because I don't want it on my computer anymore. It's trash. This is one of the few Linux programs out there that's completely and totally not worth your time. There's quite a bit with of a community as far as like Cinelera out there and Kdenlive. They both have their bugs, and also they're both really, in my opinion, in depth or complicated. But Openshot, in my opinion, seems to be the better option for those people who are just kind of getting into novices or just hobbyists for getting into the basic kind of video editing. It does allow you to do some other cool tracks, and you can get more pro with it. But unless you've taken college classes and you've really know your way around professional level software, you might not want to be messing with Kdenlive or Cinelera as much. But that's just my opinion. So I just want to show that to everybody. Have a little software showdown with that, and try it out, get your own opinion. And if you want to, definitely post up a video response. Any video responses posted on my channel, automatically approved. I'm not going to edit that in any way or censor it. So, if you got a video response, if you think I'm wrong, you think I'm full of crap, definitely post it up. Get your opinion out there, get it heard. And thanks for watching, guys.